Good morning, students. I am Riya Sinha, your assistant teacher. Today, we are going to continue our sixth chapter of geography, that is natural vegetation and wildlife. In the previous class, we have already discussed about natural vegetation, factors which affects natural vegetation, mainly temperature and moisture, and categories or classifications of natural vegetation, which are forests, grasslands, and shrubs. Then we have discussed about different types of forest, in which first one is tropical evergreen forest. Second one is tropical deciduous forest, which is different from tropical evergreen forest in characteristics. Then we have discussed about temperate evergreen forest, which has got its name because of its temperate region. And after that, we have discussed about temperate deciduous forest, which is uh, obviously different from tropical deciduous forest. And today we will going to continue about Mediterranean vegetation. Citrus fruits such as oranges, figs, olives, and grapes are commonly cultivated here because people have removed the natural vegetation in order to cultivate what they want to. There is not. This forest got its name from the Mediterranean Sea. The west and southwest margins of the continents are totally different and they have Mediterranean vegetation. It is mostly found in the areas around the Mediterranean Sea in Europe, Africa, and Asia. Hence, it has got its name Mediterranean vegetation. So, this kind of vegetation is also found outside the actual Mediterranean region in California in the USA, Southwest Africa, southwestern South America, and southwest Australia. These regions experience seasonal changes. Basically, these regions are marked for hot, dry summers and mild, rainy winters. Citrus fruits such as oranges, figs, olives, and grapes are commonly cultivated here because people have removed the natural vegetation in order to cultivate what they want to. So, there is not much wildlife here. Let's try to understand this topic again in a better way. See, the Mediterranean types of forest. This type of vegetation is found largely in the areas around Mediterranean Sea in Spain, South France, Italy, Greece, Portugal, Syria, Israel, Turkey, Tunisia, and Algeria, Morocco, and California, Central Chile, etc. Characteristic of these forests are these region largely experience winter rainfall and summers are dry. Plant growth largely takes place in winter while the plants are to be protected from the severity of heat during summer. The trees have broad leaves and are widely spaced. They are not thick and luxuriant, they are not very tall. Types of Mediterranean forest. The important species of trees are olive, oak, figs, pines, fir, cedar, cork, and citrus trees like orange and lemon. Grapes are largely grown in this region. Fruit cultivation is carried out in large scale here. Main fruit trees are grapes, peaches, plums, apricot, cherries, almond, and walnut. Next topic is coniferous forest. As the name suggests, all the trees which are found here are mainly in conical shape. In the higher latitudes, that is 50° to 70° of northern hemisphere, the spectacular coniferous forests are found. These are also called as taiga. These forests are also seen in the higher altitudes. These are the trees which Salima found in the Himalayas in the abundance, which we have discussed in the earlier part of this chapter. They are tall, softwood evergreen trees. The woods of these trees are very useful for making pulp, which is used for manufacturing paper and newsprint. Matchboxes and packing boxes are also made from softwood. Cheer, pine, cedar are the important variety of trees in these forests. Silver fox, mink, polar bear are the common animals found here. Let's try to understand about these forests also in a better way. Coniferous forest. These are largely found in southern Alaska, southern Canada, Norway, mainly in parts of it, Sweden, Finland, and northern Russia and Siberia. Characteristics of these forests are the winters are very cold and severe, and summers are warm and of short duration. This climate largely controls the growth of plant life. Due to low rainfall and severity of winters, the plant growth is very slow. The trees are of evergreen type with small needle-like leaves. The trees are tall and straight. The trees have soft wood and uh, light wood. This wood has great demand in making paper, newsprint, and other things. The important species of trees are spruce, pine, fir, and larch cedar or hemlock also dominate in these parts. The animals of this region are small sized. They have thick coat of fur around them to face the severe cold. The important animal species are musk, rat, beaver, fox, sable, reindeer, and polar bear. Hope you all understood the covered topics well about Mediterranean vegetation and coniferous forest. You all have understood. Thank you and have a nice day, everyone.